Here is my Monster Energy Xbox 360. I just finished wiring it up last night. Put my controller in it. Not my Xbox controller, but a controller to change the settings. I got two buttons right here. Change the settings. Going through a bit quicker. There's that one. It's pretty cool. The next one's pretty trippy, I think. Yeah. It's a quick fade. It's a flashing one with white in the background. And there's just a red and green flash. It's probably the one I put on when I play. There's white, and if I think this one's right, it changes. Nope. Okay, it's just a blue. Flashing white. It's pretty cool. Psycho flashing colors. Even cooler. Yeah, this is the one I was thinking of, where it's white and fades into colors. Doesn't really show it well on the camera though. Well, there's another one. Pretty cool. Cyan. This one's just a fade between blue and magenta. Yellow, green, cyan, blue, dark blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, and back to cyan. This is just a fast one. You can change the settings, like the speed. Like, I just press it. It slows it down. It's pretty cool when it slows down, I reckon. Slows down really slow. It's going slower. I never knew it could go this slow. And back to normal. It's got a blue ring of light. I'll just put this down for a second. And I'll just put it there. It's black, painted. You can see it coming out of the bottom, which is pretty cool. There are my two buttons to change the settings. Black hard drive. Painted that. And that's about it. It's pretty cool. Just thought I'd share it with you guys.